Let's review how to create a reservation from the Reservations overview screen, which can be located under the calendar icon. Your first step is to select the Create Reservation button to begin. Use the calendar function to select your arriving and departure date. And select Search. This will now bring you to the availability screen, where you can enter your reservation name. You can also search for your client or entity who is responsible for the reservation by clicking Select a Client or Entity. Enter client name and search and select. Once this step has been completed, another section will appear for you to add an originating agent. If an originating agent has been linked to your client or agent profile, it will appear in the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can search for the agent. Once this step has been completed, it will now show you the available rooms. As you can see, here it's showing I have 8 standard rooms available. If rates have been assigned to the agent profile, these rates will appear first in my available rates. Unavailable or restricted rates can also be viewed if the viewer has the rights to access these. When clicking on the right rate type, you can see the guarantee and cancellation policies assigned to the rate type. Once you select how many rooms you wish to add, the summary in the upper right-hand corner will also update. From the middle block on the availability screen, you can change your booking status. You can also change your guarantee policy or your cancellation policy. After you have selected and updated your reservation name, originating agent, responsible client, and selected the amount of rooms, you can select Next. From My Guests and Extras page, you can select the room that you wish to assign to the reservation. You can also select if you wish to make this room a Do Not Move option. If a room has been selected as a Do Not Move option, it will show with stripes through it on the reservation overview screen. You can also select the bed configuration for your reservation and the number of adults that will be in the room. From your charges screen, here you have the option to add any charges to the reservation. This can also be done after this step. However, if they have already requested, for example, tours or transfers, it can be from this step. When adding a charge, your first step is to select the room where the charge will be applied to. When a charge item is selected, the rate will automatically update. However, if you add a charge type only, you can specify the charge amount. For both charge item and type, you can add a description and amend the number of units. After you have applied your desired charges, save and next. From the contact details screen, you can add quick contact details or select a consultant that has been linked to the agent profile. This section also gives you the option to add additional invoices to the reservation. For example, if your travel agent is paying for accommodation, but the guest will be paying for all the extras, you can make an additional invoice. From this section, you can also create one additional invoice for each room in your reservation, and you can also select your guest nationality. Next is to select Confirm Reservation. This will not change the reservation status to confirmed. However, it will just let you complete the booking process. After this, you will be taken to the reservation management page. From here, you can make edits, update charges, or change allocations as needed. The reservation will start off as a provisional. Remember to update the status as needed. so your overview stays accurate. You can email the reservation summary directly from this page by selecting the envelope icon and entering your recipients. Here is a free text section for you to enter any text you wish. You can select the PDF type as well if you wish to send a detailed or summarized version of your reservation summary, or both. This can also be downloaded and attached to the email. And that is the full reservations workflow in Benson.